Hello, welcome to Anita the Pedagogue channel. Today we continue with our literature analysis. The focus of our discussion today will be on the themes of Ozymandias. Let's get started. So the first theme I'd like us to go through is the impermanence of human achievements. Shelley emotionally illustrates the fleetingness of human achievement through the imagery of decay surrounding the statue. The achievement of Ozymandias is described now as a desert. This powerful imagery suggests that human civilizations are not permanent but will pass. The description of the statue as a colossal wreck emphasizes not only its physical deterioration but also the futility of human endeavors. The phrase boundless and bare evokes a sense of vast emptiness, reinforcing the idea that no matter how great one's accomplishments, they will ultimately fade into nothingness. Shelley uses contrast to highlight the difference between Ozymandias' former glory and his current state, stressing the inevitable decline that all human achievements face. I would like us now to move on to the theme, Power is not permanent. The theme of the impermanence of power is central to Ozymandias. The descriptions of the king's statue wearing a frown, wrinkled lips, and a sneer of cold command shows the king was ruthless. This highlights how powerful he was. The boastful inscription on the pedestal of the statue, "Look on my mighty works, ye mighty and despair," emphasizes the king's hubris, what brings him down, his arrogance and his belief in the permanence of his achievements. However, the reality presented in the poem plainly contrasts this arrogance. The phrase "nothing beside remains" illustrates the desolation surrounding the statue, highlighting that all of Ozymandias' accomplishments have crumpled to dust. Shelley uses irony here as the king's declaration becomes a bitter joke as time has eroded his empire and legacy. Just as Ozymandias, no matter how great or tyrant a ruler is, it is just a matter of time and their power and achievement is eroded to give way for another. Let's look at the theme of legacy. Shelley explores how art can immortalize a figure, yet ultimately fails to preserve their power. The sculptor's skill is evident in the way he captures Ozymandias' frown, wrinkled lips, and sneer, suggesting that art can convey the essence of a ruler even when the ruler himself has fallen into insignificance. The phrase "the lone and level sun stretched far away" symbolizes the vastness of time and the inevitability of decay. However, imagery is used to evoke a sense of emptiness and the futility of seeking immortality through art, as even the greatest works will eventually succumb to the ravages of time. Let's move on to the theme human pride. The theme of human pride, and here arrogance, is evident in Ozymandias' grand self-assertion. His proclamation, "My name is Ozymandias, King of Kings," reflects extreme pride and an overestimation of his significance. The metaphor of the hand that mocked suggests that the sculptor not only captured the king's likeness but also his arrogance. Shelley implies that the king's pride is ultimately mocked by time, as even the greatest rulers are reduced to mere relics or residue. This theme serves as a cautionary tale about the consequences of excessive pride and the inevitable downfall that follows. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Let's move on to some likely examination questions. 1. Explore the use of imagery in Ozymandias. 2. How does Shelley use visual descriptions to convey the themes of power and decay? 3. Discuss the significance of the inscription on the pedestal of Ozymandias' statue. What does it reveal about the character of Ozymandias and the message of the poem? 4. Analyze the tone of the poem. How does Shelley's choice of language contribute to the overall mood and meaning of Ozymandias? 5. Examine the role of the traveler in Ozymandias. How does the perspective of the traveler enhance the poem's themes and messages? 6. Consider the theme of impermanence in Ozymandias. How does Shelley illustrate the idea that all human achievements are not forever? Provide examples from the text to support your answer. This brings us to the end of our discussion of the poem Ozymandias today. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more. There are more analysis on poetry from Songs of Ourselves, Volume 1, Part 4. And so kindly check the playlist for more contents like this. You can also put any poem that you want me to analyze in the comments, and I'll surely take a look at it and get it done. Until I come your way again, keep learning and be the best version of yourself.